everyone. So I'm going to be doing you guys a burp contest, I guess. And what you do is number 1, you make a video and comment down in this video, say, hey, I made a video, blah, 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 whatever. And then send me the link. And I'll watch it. Next, you have to do the longest, deepest burp when you're broadcasting. So, yeah. Number 3, you have to subscribe. Because if I don't have you subscribing, then you can't really be a part of the burp contest. So, yeah. But if you do subscribe, I will give you a shout out. And yeah. Bye. Please subscribe.